Hello everyone joining in the live video right now. What I'll be doing is I'll be answering all your questions which you have asked me earlier in the day, which I have kept it out there, and I'll also be posting this video on the IGTV if possible, and I'll try to answer all the questions which were asked earlier in the day. Alright, so shall we go ahead with the questions which were there asked here? I'll just see it here, your questions. I'll just check the first question. This is the first question which I've got. How much maximum time a subject to clear the ACCA examination? Well, it will take 1 month to 3 months at a maximum to actually understand the complete subject and give the examination also. If it is a knowledge based paper, then what will happen is you will be getting because anytime you can give your knowledge exam paper depending on the CBE availability, and then if it is your skills level, it will depend on the quantum whichever the examination because the examination is in March, June, September, December, and this June we have not yet got the notification also that whether it is going to be there or not. All right, I hope that answers your question. Let me just check the next question. Here Shiva is asking me this question: which is the which is the best course in degree for CEC students, sir? Please tell me. All right, best course after CEC, there are many best qualification which you have to do, which you can do, but all these courses which you guys go ahead with will completely depend on what's your caliber, what's your interest, how do you see yourself going ahead. That will be a big question for you there. And because I'm not mentioning any one qualification which is the best for CEC students, because there are many qualifications. For that, if you actually want to know about all those qualifications, you need to come down with a personal counseling with me, which I'm offering it right now online. You can have a personal counseling with me online, you with your parents, and I'll also be there on that online call. And in that counseling session, we can get the best qualification which you guys can do. Do you get that? All right. So let me just take the next question over here, which is from Mr. Ibrahim. What all projects you are taking up with? Well, I'm teaching ACCA, CMA, and also I'm doing corporate trainings, training corporates, and also personality development sessions. All right, hope you've got your answer. Now what I did is, as students were not asking, I've got many questions over here, and I'll be answering this is all right. I'll be answering few general questions which many of you are having, and in fact if you're having any question right now, you can ask me right now. I'll be answering those questions. This question I get most of the times is, do we help in placements after qualifying as an ACCA? Well, let me tell you, we will help you in placements. We'll make sure that you get the best job according to your interest. And also, it's not just after qualifying as an ACCA you will be getting jobs. It's also in between of ACCA. If suppose you actually are doing good in those papers, and you can qualify for a job then and there also. All right, are you guys with me? Just say a yes in the comment section right now. Are you guys with me? Are you guys able to hear me? Is my voice audible? Yes or no? Are you guys there? Yep, I see here. I guess the time when you message and then coming here, it takes time. Yes, I'm seeing. All right. So these are the things which you guys need to keep in mind before you actually choose a right qualification. All right. So now let us just talk about ACCA and talk about ACCA and CMA. I'll be talking. Abdul Ahmed asked me this question: essential papers are written in any particular month? Yes, it is written in particular months. It's in March, June, September, December. Mark that right. March, June, September, December. Those are the 4 months where you will be giving your examinations. March, June, September and December. Alright. So ACCA is one qualification which maximum commerce students or those people who actually are willing up to get into business or finance, that will be best for you, because it does not it does not only give you a proper understanding about finance, accounting, it also gives you proper understanding about how do you run a business, how do you scale a business, how do you monetize your talent. These are all things you will get these ideas in ACCA, because the qualification is so flexible. Many of the students who actually take up ACCA, they do their own they follow their passion, they try doing different stuff, they try getting in for their entrepreneurship skills, they just go get in there. All right, sir, what about the June attempt? When the official announcement be coming out? It will be coming out soon. It will be coming out soon, because going on with this lockdown right now in India, it's not been confirmed that the lockdown is going to continue. If it is confirmed, even till if May the lockdown is going to go on, then the June exam will be cancelled. In in American, European and Middle Eastern countries, the examination is already cancelled for the June attempt. It's for skills level, right, Abdul Ahmad? Yes, skills level or professional levels, it's March, June, September, December. March, June, September, December. All right. Right, and then a few more. Do you guys help in registrations? Yes, we help in registrations also. We take care of the classes also, and in fact the live online classes are starting from the 1st of April. They are knowledge level, skills level and professional level classes which are going to, they are new batches, all new batches which are going to start. How many of you are interested to get started with your classes soon? Type down in the comment section. How many of you actually are interested to get started with the classes, so that you don't waste your time and actually escalate or actually accelerate your preparation and your own self. How many of you I see here? Azim telling hello. Yes, Azim, I hope you are already doing well with your audit classes. Basir just joined in. Himanshu wants to, yeah, Himanshu, I've got that notification from you that you are joining in the classes in 1st of April. Who else? Abdul Ahmad, yes, you're joining in 1st of April. Looking forward to see you there. And who else? Tahir is highly interested. Am I missing out any question over here? I'm just checking. Basir, walaikum assalam. I hope you've asked me this question, that you are actually stuck up somewhere. Can you frame down your question once again here? I'll be answering it. Any more people whom I have missed out here? To all those people, if you're having any questions right now, you guys can go ahead asking me those questions while I'll be talking about professional qualification. And one thing which I actually have a big problem with most of the students is that, sir, which qualification should I do, CMA or ACCA? Get this right. ACCA is a qualification which can go step by step. It is step by step. You can go ahead, 13 papers, proper knowledge you will get. And if you are in 10th, 11th or 12th, then it's the right time to do ACCA. Even if you are in degree, you can do ACCA. That would be the right time. Suppose you have completed your degree, you're working in a finance organization, you want to upgrade your skills and your promotions over there, then you need to do CMA. CMA US is a qualification to be done that time, not right now, soon after your inter. And Himanshu, what's the time? F2 classes, I guess it is 10 a.m. in the morning. F2 would be at 10 a.m. F1, which is accountant in business, it's starting at 9 a.m. in the morning. All right, sir, career guidance for Basir. Basir, what I would say is, always to get the right qualification, you need to understand what are your interests, where you are highly interested in. Suppose if there is an area or field which you are highly talented or highly interested, that you want to do this, and if you are doing this, you are not getting bored, then that's the area where you need to upskill yourself. Suppose doing business or doing normal trade is actually exciting you, then you can explore that area more by doing internships, understanding what is business, learning what is business by the experts out there, and then starting up with it. That would be my advice for you, Basir. And even actually not all these classes which are going on, which is the accountant in business, management accounting, and also financial accounting, all these ACCA classes, I would always recommend you, if you have actual you want to get into core business and want to understand what exactly business is, come down to the classes. That would be the best help for you people. All right, ACCA or CMA, which is better? Umar, let me tell you once again, Umar, that it will depend on what is your current situation. Suppose if you have completed your degree, and if suppose you are in a job working and looking for improvement in a job or a business, then CMA would be better for you. But if suppose you are just getting started up, you don't have that basic knowledge, then get started with ACCA. All right, CIMA is a UK version of management accountancy, Himanshu. That is one qualification parallel to ACCA, and that also has around 16 papers which you can go ahead with, and you can start it after 10th also. If you guys want that classes also, we do offer that. You can join those classes right away, 1st April. What are you guys waiting for? Sir, what should be the pattern of papers we should give? The pattern of the papers of ACCA, it completely differs from paper to paper. The knowledge level, it's a 2-hour examination which is objective based papers, and that's a computer based examination. Your examination would be booked in your nearest CBE, and you will be giving your examination. It will be objective, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, match the following, multiple response answers. These all things would be there in it. And then once you go level up, what will happen is you would be going ahead with 60% of objective and 40% of descriptive. It will differ paper to paper. Do you get that? All right, this was the question for R10345 if I'm not wrong. And then Abdul Ahmed says, I love accounting, so I chose ACCA, but I am scared of failing. Come on, you must not be scared of failing. You must actually go ahead with it. Right now I'm pursuing degree second year. If you're pursuing your degree second year and no other qualification, then ACCA would be better for you, not CMA US. Okay, which doesn't allow me to move. See, if you have those things in your mind, you need to first of all remove that. If you remove those misconceptions from your mind, then you can go ahead. All right. Paid mocks or free mocks, any difference between them? Absolutely, there will be a difference in them. Most of the times, the ACCA or BPP ka plan, they give you at least 1 or 2 mocks which is free of cost. That would always be helpful. And then if suppose you want more and more mocks, it's always good to go with paid mocks also. Hello, love for Sibo. Hope you are doing well and hope you are staying safe in your quarantine. All right. Himanshu, I'm looking forward to see you in the classes also. All right. Let me just see, has anyone any questions more asked over here that I can respond it. Job opportunities for ACCA. Now let me understand this, or let me explain this to you. An ACCA body, an organization, sits every year to upgrade their qualification, to upgrade what's going on new in the society, what's going on new in the business. What happens there in these qualification, they'll always upgrade their syllabus. And keep it updated so that you don't be out of the trend. So you would always get the opportunity. Moreover, after qualifying as an ACCA, what will happen is you will be getting CPDs. That's continuing professional education. Now continuing education, what will happen is CPEs, continuing professional education, or CPD, continuing professional development. You would be online, intact with all the industry changes. That would be the advantage which you guys will be having. All right, let me just see any more questions which are there out here. Are there online classes? Yes, online classes are available for ACCA and CMA. In fact, everyone, it's going on, it's ongoing classes which you guys can just go ahead and join in those classes. It's starting from the 1st of April, and then there are many batches which are getting started. 10th April there's another batch starting for corporate and business laws. 15th April all strategic papers are getting started. So you need to look forward that which paper you are in and you get started with it. Sir, the classes will begin and end by which month, and what if June month exams get cancelled? If June month exam gets cancelled, then you're going to write your exam in September, as simple as possible. But this, I don't know which paper are you talking about, because first 4 papers you can give it anytime. If the CB is available, you can give your examination then and there. Alright, do you get that? This is R1034. What's your name? It's getting a little difficult. Alright. If June exam gets most of the time, most probably it won't get postponed. If it does not get postponed, it's good. If the lockdown does not continue, it would be very good. So that's what it will happen. There are degree, internship and ACCA placements at the same time. Is it going to help us in internship? For sure it will help you in internship. See, you people are not aware about what a degree is. That's why you're talking about what degree is. So you will get the understanding about what a normal degree is. It is just used to apply for your passport, or you have to go somewhere outside, you will be called as, yeah, I am a graduate, but it won't fetch you a good job. It won't fetch you a good job at normal degree. Alright, F8 paper needs F7 knowledge, or we can straight up with F8. No Raj, you must not go towards F8 without F7. First you need to do F7, then you need to go to F8, because accounting is actually first of all making those records, and examining those records is auditing. If you don't know how to actually make, or don't know all the IFRS basics, then it's waste of time to go towards if you don't get these accounting things right, auditing is not going to happen. Getting all notifications in between. BCom is BCom when we complete. Yep, when you're completed with ACCA, then BCom is nothing. In fact, once you're completed with the first 3 papers of knowledge, you can go to any degree exam and write the exam. Not only degree, MCom exam also. What job opportunities we have after completing CMAC? I am a CMA Certified Management Accountant. In today's webinar, I actually shared my screen. And I showed the emails which I have got from different organizations which are offering me job right now, and I've shared it in the webinar. I hope you have not joined it, I guess. So if you have missed it, come join me in the next webinar. Most probably from the 31st we are having another webinar. Tomorrow I'm not sure with the webinar, but on the 31st we'll be having a webinar. Alright, Umar, I hope you get that. And Umar, what I would suggest you is to get started with something. Either it's ACCA or CMA, get started with it. Don't wait for the right time. If I'm not wrong, you're the one who came sometime back and I have met you. Alright, sir, do we need to go accordingly in knowledge level, or we can choose any paper? Yep, you can choose any paper in study. It's not like F1, F2, F3. You can go with first financial accounting, then management accounting, and then accounting business you can do. But once in that level, you can do it in any pattern. Once you go towards the skills level, then again you can choose any pattern out there. Got it? So those were the questions which I have received, and that's what is my message for you people: to take action. Go ahead, don't wait for the lockdown to get over and then you would be starting with it. I would always suggest you to get started as soon as possible and go ahead with your preparation. Yep, I see here Raj is asking, then sir, what combination should be best? F7 with F9 is the best. Financial reporting with financial management, best combination. You can go ahead with it. If you're having financial, you can even go with financial reporting with auditing assurance. What do you suggest the best way to go with in knowledge level? Knowledge level, start with all 3 papers at the same time, and once you are done with your classes, try to give your examination as soon as possible, because right now You can give your examination at any CBE center nearest to you, any CBE center. We have our own CBE center also, but you can give it at any CBE center. CBE centers goes on with, you know, many problems in between. You can go right down at British Council. You can go right down anywhere where the examination center is available from now, right now. All right. So I hope I've answered all your questions, your queries. What I'll be doing is I'll be stopping the live right now, and I'll be ending the session. And if you're having any queries, do feel free to ask it in the DM section at NGS Professional Academy. DM them means Osama and Akanksha will be taking care of those messages. And if you actually want to reach out to me directly, then also you have to go reach out to Akanksha or Osama. And then if you want actually a personal counseling session also, you have to reach out to Akanksha and Osama. DM them right now at this NGS Professional Academy. DM them, get your time slot ready, and go ahead with your clear career. Get clarity for your career. All right. Shiva is asking you, sir, what meant by CMA? CMA is Certified Management Accountant. It's a qualification which you need to do when you're working in the finance industry. That's the right time to do CMA. All right. Hope I've got that right. And if you're having any more questions or queries, I'll be actually saving this video in the Instagram live session, and also I'll be putting it on the IGTV. All right. Thank you very much for joining in the live session.